You want your baby bottles clean, right? Like really, really clean. It is a lot of washing for such a small human. The Grownsy, the baby Brezza, the Momcozy. So I tested out 3 baby bottle washers so that you don't have to. Which one gets my stamp of approval? If you're a new parent, you have probably very quickly figured out just how much washing of things you are going to be doing for your newborn baby. Like there's of course baby bottles, and then maybe there's some pacifiers, and don't forget about the breast pump parts. Like it is a lot of washing for such a small human. So I have taken the hard work out of it for you. I have taken the top 3 baby bottle washers on the market, and I've compared them in different categories just for you. We're going to be looking at the Grownsy Ease Clean Bottle Wash Pro, the baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro, and the Momcozy KleanPal Pro. I'm going to lay it all out for you so that you can make the choice on which baby bottle washer is right for you and your family. So let's get into it. The best gift that a new parent could receive is the gift of time. And you know that I am right. So I took these 3 baby bottle washers and I compared to see how long it's going to take them to wash and sanitize all of your baby feeding essentials. If we look first at the Grownsy, it's going to do that wash, dry, sanitize in about 60 minutes or 1 hour's time. The Momcozy is going to do that same wash, dry, sanitize in 45 minutes, and then the baby Brezza is going to do those same settings in about an hour, or again 60 minutes. Now, even though the Momcozy is a little bit shorter, it's about 15 minutes less, there are some negative reviews for both Momcozy and the baby Brezza that say that those bottles and pump parts, they're coming out sort of still damp and still wet, whereas Grownsy, they have about 150 positive reviews on how thoroughly the bottles and the pump parts are drying. And we do know that moisture can be a breeding ground for bacteria. So in my opinion here, I'd probably go with Grownsy because saving that 15 minutes, it's not really worth it if it's still coming out wet. Next up, you want your baby bottles clean, right? Like really, really clean. So let's talk about jets. The baby Brezza has 20 jets and 6 cleaning modes, which sounds awesome, and it is, until you find out that both Grownsy and Momcozy have 26 jets and 9 cleaning modes. And the jets on the baby Brezza, they don't actually move, whereas the other 2 do, and it kind of gives you more of a 360-degree cleaning. And then just a little leg up, the Grownsy has more water pressure versus the Momcozy. That's a small difference, but in positive reviews on Thoroughness of Cleaning, I'd give this one to Grownsy as well. One of my favorite features on both the Grownsy and the Momcozy is this little hose at the back of the unit that allows the dirty water to just drain out of the sink automatically, whereas with the baby Brezza, there's actually a dirty water tank that you have to manually empty. Now this piece of baby equipment, it is an investment, so we do need to look at all the different price points of these 3 baby bottle washers. You're going to see these are all really similar in price. So this is the baby Brezza. It comes in at $299.99. Next up, we have the Momcozy. It's also $299.99. And then we have the Grownsy. It comes in at $289.99, so a small amount of savings. I, of course, ran all 3 of these baby bottle washers. So for the sound challenge, I'm going to let you be the judge. Crank that volume up and have a listen. When we talk about similarities, all 3 of these baby bottle washers use their own detergent tabs. They all plug into the wall for power, and it is recommended that all of them use distilled water just to reduce that residue and that buildup. Now, the baby Brezza washer can wash up to 4 bottles at once, which is great, but Momcozy and Grownsy, they can both wash up to 8 baby bottles at once, which is even better. And so my final verdict, if we are looking at cost and ease of use and power and thoroughness of drying, which for me is really, really important, I would go with the Grownsy Ease Clean Bottle Washer, and I want to show you how easy this piece of baby equipment is so that you can get thorough cleaning and sanitization of all of your baby feeding essentials. First step, you're going to dump out any leftover milk, and then you're going to fill the bottle washer with whatever needs cleaning. Bottles and nipples on the bottom, and then bottle rings and caps on the top layer. Once you have everything loaded in, you'll insert a dishwasher tablet right into the machine, which does come with the Grownsy bottle washer, and then you're going to fill up the clean water tank with distilled water, insert the hose into the sink, and turn it on. You actually have the option to pick from 9 different cleaning modes, and Grownsy's bottle washer actually allows you to pause the cycle, giving you real-time adjustment and flexibility. Then simply select what you want to run by pushing the button, press start, and away it goes. All you have to do is wait. It's amazing. You can find the Grownsy Ease Clean Bottle Washer right here on their website or on Amazon, or consider adding this to your baby registry. Like I was just telling my husband yesterday while I was playing with this, what a game changer this would have been when we had really young babies. So consider trying it out for yourself. As always, be happy, stay healthy, have fun. Bye.